Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dilia, or 26 miles northwest of Santa Rosa, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dilia, Anton Chico, and Milagro. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 243 and 261. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Guadalupe, New Mexico,